Indian Oil offers a full slate of petrochemical products under the Propel brand, covering all segments such as surfactants, polyester intermediates, polymers, elastomers and aromatics.
Indian Oil's journey from a relatively minor petrochemicals player in 2004 to a giant having a total capacity of 4.1 MMTPA has been nothing less than extraordinary. Indian Oil's foray into petrochemicals began in August 2004 with the commissioning of the world's largest single-train LAB plant at Gujarat Refinery. In June 2006, Indian Oil took a major step towards forward integration in the hydrocarbon value chain by commissioning the PX-PTA plant at Panipat. In March 2010, Indian Oil commissioned one of India's largest naphtha cracker unit at Panipat Refinery. In November 2013, Indian Oil entered the elastomers segment through its joint venture company ISRPL with the commissioning of SBR plant. In 2019, Indian Oil commissioned PP plant at Paradeep. To facilitate investors in polymer processing in Odisha, a special purpose vehicle, Paradeep Plastics Park Limited, was set up in association with IDCO Odisha. In 2023, an ethylene glycol plant was commissioned at Paradeep. So far, Indian Oil has implemented petrochemical projects of 4.1 MMTPA capacity at an investment of 31,600 crore rupees.
For future, Indian Oil has chalked out a comprehensive capacity expansion plan for petrochemicals.
Indian Oil plans to focus not only on commodity petrochemicals but also on the niche and specialty chemical segment. A slew of projects has been planned for import substitution. To achieve this, petrochemical projects worth over 1 lakh crore rupees, that is approximately $12 billion, are at various stages of implementation currently that would significantly enhance Indian Oil's petrochemical intensity index. The projects are butyl acrylate plant at Dumand near Gujarat Refinery, an integrated PX-PTA plant at Paradeep, polypropylene projects at Barauni Refinery, Gujarat Refinery and Panipat Refinery, a polybutadiene rubber plant at Panipat.
In addition, various projects are under detailed feasibility study and are expected to be commissioned by 2030. These include
styrene project at Panipat, PVC project at Gujarat Refinery, malic anhydride, butanidiol and tetrahydrofuran project at Panipat, expansion of naphtha cracker at Panipat, polyester yarn production at Bhadrak, Odisha. In an ambitious move, the Indian Oil Board has accorded Stage 1 approval for setting up mega petrochemical complex at Paradeep. This will be the largest ever investment of Indian Oil at a single location.
As the journey continues, Indian Oil envisages to become the one of the largest petrochemicals player in Southeast Asia. Our vision remains steadfast and so does our transformation towards Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Indian Oil, the energy of India.